That Superman balloon has lasted forever. There he goes.
What the heck?
Whoa! Check him out.
Hi, guys.
Hey, Aaron. So, what do we have today?
We have a giant balloon.
A balloon?
No, I'm just kidding.
We have a 12-foot inflatable ghost that we're gonna unbox. We got this guy on Amazon. Super excited to see what he looks like.
Does it have a base name?
I don't think so. So this guy's supposed to be really colorful, so I'm excited to see what he looks like. You can see here the information on the ghost on the screen and the price.
Okay, it doesn't have one.
All right, let's find the plug. There you go. Now here you can see the plug is already attached and the zipper is not open, so we're good. You want to plug it in over there? Oh my gosh, there it goes! Look at the lights!
I already see him! I think he can play by himself.
Whoa, look at his mouth, it's so big. Here you can see his eyes and his head. So he is inflating the long way, so we need to pick him up. Whoa! Pick him up, Aaron! Alright, let's pick him up.
He has big hands! Yeah!
Oh my gosh, his hands are so big! There he goes, there he goes, there he goes! There he goes! Pick him up! Be careful with the chandelier! Whoa! Check out his big old mouth! Alright guys, check out this massive 12-foot ghost. You could see his big old hands, and he's got some like little frail coming down the arms. So cool. I can't wait to see what this guy looks like at night. Look, you can kind of see his lights already. Alright guys, we're gonna try to see if we can see it through the window. Oh, you can see the Superman balloon. That Superman balloon has lasted forever. There he goes.
What the heck?
Whoa! Check him out!
What is that?
Oh, he's peeping at us through the window. Scary ghost. Yeah. Okay, come on. Let's go back inside. Aw. You want to see what he looks like at night?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, check it out. This is what it looks like at night. I mean, there's still a little bit of light on because we're inside, but it looks so cool. I love the lights. Whoa. Alright, there will be a link in the description for this inflatable if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this ghost. And bye.